What's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This video once again I'm talking about the urgent and latest update of the Cardano what's going on in this time in the Cardano, what's surprising us, what will be the next move of Cardano. In this video I will show you, my friends. But before starting this interesting video, please, my friends, please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, if you look the latest price update of the Cardano, so the latest price is here. 1.43 USD dollar is the latest price of the Cardano ADA, and the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative. Only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so this means that at this time the Cardano ADA is going good. Absolutely, first of all, that's good news for all Cardano holders. But you know what, at this time the situation is going wrong. It's sometimes the price pump, it's sometimes the price jump. You can see here, one day the price pump, second day the price jump. So no one can understand at this time the move of the Cardano. You can see here from this price chart, you can already understand. You can see here, at this time the price pump, and after this pump the price again dump. You can see here again they come in this level. You can see here again. So it's sometime 1 day they pump and 2 days they falls down. You can see here there is a continuous procedure of cryptocurrencies market. And now at this time, if you look the current situation, so the current again they are ready for a pumping, and after some passage of time, after some passage of pump, the price will again falls down. My friends, that is the pattern of the Cardano moves. 1 day pump, second day dump. But if you look the gradually changes occur, the average changes occur in the Cardano, so the average changes is, I think, going positive. You can see it because the average change is positive, so that's mean that gradually this the moves and the price of Cardano is moving upward. Positive 3.77% positive change occur in the Cardano, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.